gentlemen, welcome to the Mishara.
Ah, how you doing?
Thank you.
How are you?
This isn't normal. I'm super boozed up from the fucking private jet. They used to think that's normal. It's not normal to have a Bugatti in a fucking super fast here, is it? Nice sunny day, beautiful.
Thank you, friend. It's okay.
Ain't normal. It's not a Dacia. It's a Bugatti.
Luke, it's a Dacia.
It's not, is it?
I told you to get the line.
Dacia Logan.
This ain't just a Lada.
B stands for D.
Look at the summer air and the Bugatti here. Super
I thought I asked
fast.
you for the Lada.
Yeah, same.
Why is this here?
The same thing.
Nah.
Lada,
Sorry,
Bugatti.
how many girls can you fit in this car?
2.
1, maybe 2. Lada, 10.
You will not fit 10 girls in a lot. I dare you.
No
I
way.
will fit 10 girls in a Lada.
This is a lie.